How to make your video savable on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Menu at the top right corner. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Privacy. Then scroll down to the Downloads option and tap on it. Toggle on this Download Videos from TikTok option. Now go back and get to your profile page. Tap on any post from here. Once you're here, tap on the three dots from the side panel. Then, select the option Save Video at the bottom. You can see that the video has been saved to your camera roll. You can now find the video in your gallery. Tap and open the video and enjoy it offline. So, by following these steps, you can make your videos savable on TikTok.